In this video, I'm going to show you how to locate your Steam games that are already installed. So if you were to load up Steam, as you see, I have mine here, and this is kind of your home page, the actual store, just kind of the home page, or it is for me at least. So what you want to do is just go up here to the tabs here where it says Library, and you see it says Home and Collections and Downloads. So just click on Library. And this is going to bring you to your own personal library where all of your games and things are. So as you see the recent games here. Then you see all of my games that I have here. I only have four right now. And what you can do is go over here to this drop menu here and sort by tools and games. I just always have it on games. And that's it. It shouldn't be overly complicated to find the game that you want to find, the game that you want to play, or just all of your installs, because all of your installs will actually show up here under all games, and that's it. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.